Hey guys, my name is Joseph and today we're going to make I'm going to tell you guys three codes and wait. Obviously, if you have more than 25 B types, the best hive is to hive near the red cannon, of course. But guys, so the first code, it's okay, let me just check. The first code is actually yeah, it's actually Beast here. I actually have a Discord, and the other one is from Terra Bright. A YouTuber, Terra Bright, I think. Terra Treasure. Yeah, I already named it, just like write this down, or just whatever. Okay, now the Terra Treasure gives you Hero Jelly and Moon Charm times 3, Sunflower Seed times 10, and the most important one is Ghost Juice times 2. And now this one will give there's another code, it will give you 15 gumdrops. I think it's bunny for science, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let me check. Okay, so guys, I just checked what was the code, and it was actually gumdrops for science. Sadly, I got kicked out, and for something, but I still got my class. Gumdrops. What? Wait a minute. Gumdrops for science. You get 15 gumdrops. And now I'm just going to grind. If you guys want, you guys can just you know what? Yeah, this is going to be a code only video, so I'm going to give you guys other codes. Here they are. Of course, it's from the website. Okay, guys. If you guys want to know what is the website, it's actually currently about code. And I'm going to tell you guys from the code from Club Bean, and that code I don't know how to spell. Meru Treats, Min Mama Moons, Robsy Rampage, Jarzet Pack, Gummy Sausage, Exo Extract. Okay, you guys can like take a photo for Secret Profile Core, Nubasha Bonus, Gravy Goodies, Magic Mittens, Will Gould, Discord 50k, That Guy Gift, Wiki Honor, Wiki Award Clock, SD Mittens 1T from the YouTuber, SD Mittens, Ace Unhacked Loot. You guys can take a photo if you want. And then Terra Treasure, then Gumdrops for Science. Sadly, there are a lot of broken codes. Like this one. Waiting. You know what? Actually hard. Okay guys, I think that will be the end for this video, and see you guys next time.